Les Waller, Smart Gun Cleaning here. Today we're going to talk about OTIS Technologies gun cleaning system. They're a three-step process. So we've got here our memory cable, 30-inch. We have a T-handle. And we grab most of the stuff that we need from right in here for today because we're using a 12-gauge shotgun. So it comes with a 12-gauge shotgun brush. Got our CLP, shooter's choice, and then we're going to need the large slotted tip, the large obstruction remover, the large patch saver, of course, some 3-inch patches. The first things to consider, of course, are safety. Do you have some form of glasses or safety glasses that you're wearing? Do you have gloves? If you look at the description below, you'll see a link to our page, best top 5 safety gloves to wear, because we're going to be handling oils and cleaners and solvents, and there might be lead and stuff like that, and some of the dirty the debris and stuff like that we're cleaning out of the shotgun. Safety first. And of course, before we handle the weapon, we will make sure it is unloaded. How do we put this system together? So we go ahead and take the obstruction remover, screw this into one end. This will be going in first. And then on the other end, what we're going to want is the large slot. And then we're going to take one of our 3-inch patches, and since we're dealing with a large bore, 12 gauge, we're going to put it in a inside slot. Put the patch saver over that. And then we're going to take our cloth to the far end and put that through the slot. That's what holds the patch saver in there, so that you don't end up with that in the barrel. And as you can see here, we're going to have coverage all around. So the next thing you're going to do is put some solvent or oil on that. All right, we're ready to go. We're just missing one thing. The shotgun. We've got the shotgun here. The first thing I did when I took the shotgun out of the case was check to make sure it's unloaded. Even though I've done that, we will do that again. This is a Beretta 686 Silver Pigeon. We can see down the barrel, it is empty. 3-step process. We feed in the large obstruction mover. It is made out of brass. The steel cable that is inside is covered with nylon, so you're not going to have to worry about scratching the lands and grooves on your rifle or your shotgun. So we will feed this through here. All right, so we put our T-handle here. So then now we take this and we pull it through. And as you can see, the shotgun that we got for today is a little bit dirty. That was step 1, wet patch. Step 2, brush. So we take off the slotted tip. We grab the appropriate size brass brush. Screw that tip in. And we do the same thing from the breech. Feed this in. I mean, I think depending on the weapon, this T-handle will work well. I think on this one, I'm just going to use my hands. because of the length. I've got leverage like this, better than trying to use the T-handle. So we'll go ahead and pull the brass brush through. Oh. You can see the spray of all the particles and stuff like that on the table here as it came out. Imagine when you're using a brass rod and you're going from the muzzle to the bore. That means you're pushing all that stuff inside, which means more cleaning, more of a mess. Here, we're going from the breech to the muzzle and we're bringing everything out. So we're not adding impurities, dirt, dust, and all that good stuff as part of the process. So that was step 2. You saw how everything came out when we pulled the brush through. Step 3 is to put the large slot back on. Wet patch, brush, dry patch. Step 3. So you can see we've still got some work to do. That's fine. Plus it's a double barrel, it's an over-under. So we've got twice the work to do. Any questions on how to use the OTIS Technologies Gun Cleaning System 3-step process? So we'll continue this until it comes out clean. We'll do both barrels. This is all part of the Elite Gun Cleaning System, which we purchased about a few weeks ago. First time using a cable to clean the bore of a gun. Actually, I find it kind of refreshing. Smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. We have more videos. We're going to have a complete video on how to clean a Beretta shotgun. We're also going to have a video on how to clean a shotgun in general. And as we continue on through the weeks and months, we're going to have more videos on cleaning different types of guns, pistols, rifles, shotguns. You name it, we'll clean it. Thanks for watching.